Do you think doing 100 push-ups in a row is impossible? Then let me be straight with you. It's not your body that's failing. It's the way you train. Push-ups aren't just about strength. They're strategy, they're control, they're mindset under pressure. People who can do 100+ reps weren't born that way. They built it, rep by rep, day after day, even when they didn't feel like it. If you want to reach 100, stop trying to do 100. Yes, stop right now. Here's the real method. 1. Stop training to failure. If you always go to failure, you're training failure. Start leaving 2 to 3 reps in the tank. This builds volume, and volume builds insane endurance. 2. The microset method. Want to reach 100? Then stop thinking about 100. Do this. 20 reps, rest 10 seconds. 15 reps, rest 10 seconds. 10 reps, rest 10 seconds. And keep going, without leaving the position. Your body learns to continue, even when tired. That changes everything. 3. Train more often. Push-ups are endurance, and endurance is built with frequency. Train 4 to 5 times per week, not just one intense day. Consistency beats poorly applied intensity. 4. Control the tempo. If you drop fast and push up in panic, you're wasting energy. Lower in 2 seconds and push up with control. This strengthens more muscle fibers and prepares you for more reps. 5. Strengthen what limits you. If you fail first in your triceps or core, then push-ups aren't the problem. Your ignored weaknesses are. Build a complete body, and the numbers will rise on their own. Listen carefully. No one reaches 100 push-ups by accident. It's repetition. It's pain. It's that moment when your body screams, "Stop," and you answer, "Just one more." Then another, and another. That's how you change. If you keep training the same way, you'll stay stuck at the same number. Nothing changes until you change. So starting today, no excuses, no shortcuts, and no stopping early. And if you want more content like this, direct, real, and no fluff, subscribe to the channel now. Because here, you either evolve or you get left behind.